61.32 minus 68.978. 978. Now using 172.32. Okay, now you write here 8 and 6. Now you see. Now 9 is in the first place. 9 is in the first place. This is your first place. Second place. Third place. इस तरह का यहाँ पर जीरो लगा सकते हो. यहाँ पर 9, then 7, here it is 8. ये जीरो पे कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Now यहाँ पर subtract. Now carry 10. 10 से 8 get 2. Now here is 1 left. So carry 10. 1 आएगा तो 10, 11, 7, 4. Now here it is 2. Carry this side. Then 12 minus 9, 3. Now here 1 पता है. तो 10 आएगा तो यहाँ पर 10, 1, 11. 11 से 8 get 3. 6 से 6 get 0. 1. So our answer is 103.342. Okay? So in case of subtraction and addition, our arrangement is very very important. In the first place digit should lie in one column, second place digit should lie in one column, third place digit should lie in one column. Here one digit should lie in one column, and the 10th place digit should lie in one column. In this way you have to arrange. Otherwise the addition and the subtraction of decimals it is very easy. Now we will come to multiplication. Now you see 32.6 है, उसको I will multiply by 2.34. 2.34. Now you forget about the decimal point. Now you forget about the decimal point. First I will multiply by 4. 4 6 is 24. Carry 2. 4 2 is 8, 2 10. Carry 1. 4 3 is 12, 1 13. यहाँ पर आप एक क्रॉस लगा दो. फिर 3 में 3 6 is 18. Carry 1. 3 2 is 6 1 7. 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Then again you put a cross here. Now we will multiply by 2. 2 6 is 12. 1 5. 2 3 is 6. Now we have to multiply by 4 3 2. Now we will add. Now this is your 4. This is your 8. 7 3 10 2 12. Carry 1. 5 1 6 9 15 1 16. Carry 1 7. Now it is the time to put the decimal point. After multiplication we have to put the decimal point. Decimal point, to put the decimal point it is very very important. Many students leave to put the decimal point. Here they commit the mistakes. So we have to put the decimal point. Now the question arises, where we will put the decimal point? See here, after the decimal point here it is to 1 digit. 1. After the decimal point here it is to 1 1. Total 1 2 3. How many digits? 1 2 3. You have to count the number of digits after the decimal point of both the quantity. Here 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3. Put here decimal point. Okay? 1 2 3. Leave and put the decimal point. Now this is about the multiplication. Multiplication. In some multiplication also it so happens we get, suppose here we have multiplied, then we have got 2.73, but we need to put the decimal point after 5 places. In that case we have to put 2 more zeros to the left, then you have to put the decimal point. Then you have to put the decimal point. Okay? Multiplication हो गया. Decimal quantity 76.38 divided by 12. First we will discuss how to divide a decimal quantity by a whole number. Division of a decimal quantity by a whole number is very easy. First you write 76.38. Now this is your 12. 6 is 72. Now 6 is 2 and 4. Now we have to carry after the decimal point. So first you put the decimal point here. After the decimal point. So in the question you put the decimal point first. Then carry 3. 43. Now 12 3 is 36. Now 7. Now you bring 8. 12 6 is 72. Now 6 is left. this 0 here, 60. 12 5
60.
12 5 60. So our answer is 6.365. 365. Okay? Today is only this one. How are you? Sit down. Sit down. Today we will read something about the decimal fraction. In this class, we will discuss about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of a decimal quantity. So first I will take a question for addition. Now our question is 50 plus 60.3. ये तो डार्क में है plus 9162.8325. Somebody go and bring one marker. Marker किसके पास है? Point. Suppose this is your 87. Now, in order to arrange, we will write all these quantities in column wise. First you write 50. Here I have 50. Now there is a 50 is only whole number. So you put a decimal point. Then you can write any number of 0. Okay. Now this is the 60.3. So here you write 0. This is your 6. Now you see 3 in the first place after the decimal point. Decimal point का first place पर है, तो ये तुम्हारा यहाँ से शुरू होता है first place, second place, third place, fourth place. So you will write here 3. 3 you have to write here, not here. You have to write 3 here. Okay. Now this is 9162. 2. Point. Now you see here you can write 0. Now this is your 8, 3, 2, 5. Now here 75.87. Here 5, 7.8. 8 is in the first place. So you will write here 8 and 7 is in the second place. So you will write 7. You see now all these first place digits in one column, second place digits in one column, third place digits in one column and fourth place digits in one column. Similarly in the left hand side you see ones place digits are in one column, tenth place digits are in one column. So here in case of addition and subtraction, your arrangement is important. Arrangement is important. Now you will add. Now this is the 5, 2, 7, 3, 10, 0, 1 carry, 8, 8, 16, 1, 17, 3, 20. Now carry 2, 5 to 7 to 9. 7, 6, 13, 6, 19, plus 5, 24, 4, 9 to 11. 9 to 11. So our answer is 11. 0025. Okay. Stand up. Today we will read about the division of a decimal quantity by a whole number and the division of a decimal quantity by a decimal quantity. जैसे ये 306.8 है. Suppose I am interested to divide it by whole number 12. So division of a decimal quantity by whole number, it is very easy. So ये 306.8 है. यहाँ पर you can write any number of zeros because why I am writing zeros, because we may need in our steps Because these zeros have no value, so you can put 12 to the 24. Now, after minus I am getting 6. Now it is 66. 12 5 the 60. Now after subtraction I am getting 6. Now I have to bring digit after the decimal point, so you put here decimal point. Now you bring 8. Now 12 5 the 60. Now after this it is 8. Then you bring 1 0. 8 12 6 the 72. Then again 8 and 12 6 the 72. Still remainder 8 and the remainder will continue here. So generally we find after 3 places after the decimal